few days ago, China moved from the line of actual control, and that proved that India has far more friends in the world today. And in this episode, we'll see about how other countries, that is, how other world leaders sided with India, and how even the countries that are getting help from China did not support China openly. So, according to the reports, 3 kilometer buffer zone has been created between Indian and Chinese troops in Ladakh, and both sides are moving tents, troops, and vehicles back to their own side of the line of actual control. 2 months after Chinese troops intruded across the LAC, they are going back empty handed. The full withdrawal process takes a few days or weeks or months, but the Chinese side seems to have understood that the world sides with India. When we think about it, who actually supported China when it decided to aggressively cross the LAC? Even countries like Laos. Laos is getting China's help to build super fast rail routes that connects Laos and China. And Djibouti. Djibouti is a country where China has its military base. Even these two countries did not support China openly. But when it comes to India, world superpowers like US also supported India, and even India had the support of very valuable players in the United Nations Security Council. In this process, the US President Donald Trump said that China intruding into Indian territory is not new. It is an aggressive pattern that China follows with its other neighbors too. When we think about it, China has territorial and or diplomatic issues with India, with Taiwan, Hong Kong, and even Russia. Of course, US and China are having massive disagreements in the trade front, as well as the fact that China did not warn early about this coronavirus pandemic. The US also moved 2 aircraft carriers into the South China Sea last week just to show its strength. Russia sided with India by turning down the Chinese request of not to sell arms to India. We should note that it depends a lot on arms sales to China to strengthen its own GDP, yet it decided to support India. From Japan to Australia, the world began to line up behind India. Even Pakistan, which is China's strategic ally and partner, did not take advantage of this situation. Beijing still claims Galwan Valley, but it realizes that it cannot stand up against India and its entire group of supporters. Now, India will solidify its friendship, that is, India will strengthen its new friendship with free trade agreements with the European Union and the US. Actually, Modi needs all the help that he can get to even think about confronting China. Stay connected with us for more such updates.